All right, welcome back to another episode of NC Hammer Crypto. My name's Neil, where we keep things short and sweet on technical analysis. I will be digging a little bit more into XCN today, as we talk about it a lot on this channel. If you've stuck with us, we did see that it did start forming a downtrend. We tested off this bottom, a little bit of a scalp in between here. It did test at the high, so it created this downward channel. This black line right here coming up was the uptrend, which as soon as it broke that, we saw a further decrease down underneath the previous low in the channel. So around there, we saw a pretty good entry for scalped upwards, sold, and then saw a new entry right around where we had talked about just the other day, hitting around 0.02 cents. We did hit as low as 0.018, and we had an immediate push back up. We are entering back into the downtrend channel, and once we see a break above this channel, it's going to have a strong push upward, potentially back up to 0.046 and higher. The white papers that have been changed are pretty in depth, but if you know nothing about XCN, I can list this link below. It's talking about how like XCN is going to be like the Airbnb, as we can see right here. Airbnb hosts guests and deals with connections of borrowers and lenders. Same with eBay. Overall, just looking at the market, we can see that its all-time high is a lot higher than what we are currently sitting at. All the way up to 10 cents. I believe we hit even higher, 18 cents, I believe is its all-time high. This is just through Coinbase. However, I believe that right now we are going to see a slight push upwards to touch this, or we do see it's trying to hold above the 200 EMA. We could see a retrace back down to test to see if there is a support level on this right here. But just keep an eye on that. Then we have Spell token, which has just died after we're looking at potential entry. And XYO, we saw that the pendant failed completely and retraced past this rejection point all the way down to 0.014. And the other one we'll talk about, LCX, it is also starting to push up, but it created an absolute new low at this point. If we look at it on the daily, we are still in a potential uptrend, such as this. But I would still look at that and not enter at this moment. All of this market crash is due to Bitcoin crashing, but we do want to see Bitcoin start dipping a little bit more, and that's when we'll see the true altcoin market coming out. And the other one that somebody wanted me to look at was ABT, and we can see that clearly when people were saying to buy at 1.4, we saw an immediate rejection below this pendant, and it is testing off just around $1. That's it for today. Hope you guys are following through. We are currently on a buy on XCN and in profit. You can follow me, and I do classes. Just send me a message. Otherwise, I always recommend doing your trading on Mexc. They have the lowest fees out of any market I've traded on. I will leave the link and reference code below. Have a good one.